Thank you for tuning in to today's town hall meeting. As you have surely noticed, we've had some glitches with these broadcasts. But rest assured, we will not be held hostage by an inferior video solution.
We have to save our CEO!
A single person streaming a video is handled easily. But as more people start requesting the video, the internet connection is quickly saturated, and this bottleneck at the firewall can create chaos in your network. Fortunately, Ramp eCDN can change all that. Ramp was the first eCDN certified to support Microsoft Stream. Our secure and reliable software-based solution allows you to control video distribution at the infrastructure level, and ultimately reduce WAN traffic. By reducing the amount of bandwidth video consumes, Ramp alleviates network congestion, so your viewers receive stable and reliable video, both live and on demand. Our eCDN is easy to deploy and scale. Just choose Ramp as your third-party eCDN provider in the Microsoft 365 administration screen to deliver a great viewer experience and a happy CEO. To learn more about our industry-leading integration with Microsoft 365, visit rampecdn.com/Microsoft today.